Okay, we have a Fortune Victor gap bed engine lathe, model 3120, serial number 914257. This machine was new in the 1990s, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 30-inch swing with 37 3/4 in the gap. He's running right now. The machine has from 21 up to 1500 RPM. It has a foot brake, inch metric threading capability, forward and reverse. You have a 2-axis new all digital readout, 3 1/8 inch hole through the spindle. He's going to go up a little bit. All right, going a bit faster. Machine also does have a steady rest. It's got a 2-speed tailstock with a 6 5/16 spindle travel and a number 5 Morse taper. Forward and reverse. Going a bit faster. Yep. He's threading. Let's get the lead screw turning, and we're threading. Just engage the half nut. You can see on the digital readout the longitudinal travel. Okay. We're going to put it into feed now. All right, now the feed bar is turning. And we are feeding. You can see it on the digital readout. Let it go. There we go. Longitudinal feed. He's going to switch it to cross. Cross feed. You can see it on the handle. Okay. Rapid traverse. Other direction. Also, he's going to rapid carriage. Great. All right. Tailstock. We're going to move the tailstock quill. Again, it's a 2-speed tailstock. And we have a large live center in it. All right. And that's your steady rest. And I think you've seen it. Rapid, feed, thread, bunch of different speeds. Hey, thank you for watching our video.